If you've ever wondered whether a small oven can really replace both a toaster and an air fryer, my Hamilton Beach Shore Crisp air fryer review will give you the honest answer. I've cooked everything from frozen fries on a late movie night to quick pizzas on busy weekends, and this little machine has surprised me in more ways than one. Stick around, I'll share what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it's worth a spot on your counter. Key features. Air frying function. The Shore Crisp system blows hot air for a crispy finish without much oil. My fries turned out golden in about 18 minutes. Wings were juicy with a light crunch, and veggies like broccoli cooked well if I shook the basket halfway. Toaster oven. Functions. Toasting is fairly even, though it takes a little tweaking to get the right shade. A 9-inch pizza baked fine with edges browning faster than the center, while brownies came out surprisingly even. The broil setting worked for quick fish or chicken, though it's best for smaller portions. Capacity and accessories. This oven isn't huge, but it's practical. It holds 4 slices of toast, 1 9-inch pizza, a 3-pound chicken in a small pan. The included accessories are helpful: a metal basket, bake pan, broil rack, and crumb tray. The basket sits on the upper rack while the pan catches drips below. Adjusting the racks is simple, though I notice they feel a little light compared to larger ovens. Still, for everyday use, they've held up fine. Cooking performance air frying results. The oven makes food crispy with little to no oil, but small batches work best. It's slower than a dedicated fryer. Fries that take 12 minutes elsewhere took me about 18. Toasting and baking results. Toasting is decent but sometimes uneven, so flipping bread helps. Baking is accurate for pizza or brownies, though the top browns faster than the bottom. Speed and power. With 1,100 watts, it's not very powerful, but still faster than heating a big oven. Great for quick snacks or busy mornings. Design and build quality. The stainless steel finish looks sharp and blends in with my other appliances. It gives a modern touch without feeling cheap. Durability is decent, though the oven is lightweight. I notice the exterior gets very hot during use, so I make sure nothing touches the sides. Ease of use. The Hamilton Beach Shore Crisp is simple to run with its knob controls and handy auto shutoff, though it takes a little practice to find the right settings for toast or fries. Cleaning. The crumb tray makes quick cleanups easy, but the drip pan and glass door need extra scrubbing, so wiping them down right after cooking saves a lot of hassle. Pros. Compact size fits well in small kitchens, dorms and RVs. Affordable price. Comes with useful accessories. Knob controls are simple and not overly techy. Cons. Exterior gets very hot during use, not ideal if you have kids around. Not as powerful as a dedicated air fryer, longer cook times for fries and wings. Final verdict. After testing the Hamilton Beach Shore Crisp air fryer toaster oven, I'd call it a solid budget-friendly choice for people who want a compact all-in-one appliance. It does a lot in a small package: toast, bake, broil and air fry, without taking up much counter space. The biggest strengths are its size, price and versatility. I liked that I could make quick snacks, reheat leftovers, or bake a small pizza without firing up my big oven. For someone in a small apartment, dorm, or even an RV, that's a big win.